ni The Silent Killer.
Naririnig mo sino yung number 1 sharker ngayon ng Manila MSW Mavericks sa boses pa lang? Paul Kenneth Arpilleda? Sipin mo yun?
Nasa baba yung number 1 sharker kasi nila naglalaro ngayon eh.
Doc Loy parating paus pagkatapos ng laban eh.
At ito kasi last series na rin ng Mavericks ngayon. Kahit pa paano maganda yung maging momentum nila going into the playoffs.
The only two teams that have swept the opposition this year are the Quezon City Dragons when they in week number, kaya hanapin ko tuloy, this season. And Parañaque is the only team that has not won a series. Medyo kapos para dito kay Jonas. Pero sabi ni Silent Killer, that's mine!
Ganun-ganun lang for the Silent Killers. 7th victory